కాదు. తెలిస్తే సినిమా పోవాలని మీరు చూస్తాం. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ట్యాబ్లెట్ కొనుక్కోరా అంటే పానీపూరి తినేస్తాం. ఓకేనా? సో ఐఎమ్ ఫైండింగ్ ది peculiarity. So whenever you are designing a product, at that time you must look into the peculiarity and your product must make that distinguished feature. And it should separate. You find some of the nervous. Okay, so instead of that, you can see that it is split like this and bent in different positions. So ergonomically it is designed. That means whenever you are designing a product, you have to adopt a ergonomic. You have to adopt a. Okay, now. So here is a chain is available. This is the chain. If I make that the chain is what for sitting up here 3 years or 4 years chain, is it ergonomic? Is it ergonomic? Ergonomic untunda. So for the kids they are available small. Okay, now if you go to the kindergarten schools, they have a very small. You can't sit there. Okay, now. Very small. With respect to the